Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today again I start a new playlist which is HTML. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install VS Code to code in HTML language. There are different types of HTML editors. They are Notepad, VS Code, Sublime Text, etc., which is for Windows, and for Mac TextEdit is for Mac. So now I am going to show how to install VS Code, because I suggest VS Code. It is light for PC. So if you go to the description box, you get a link. When you click the link, the page will be shown. This is the download page for VS Code. From this page you can download. First of all, you have to go to the page and scroll it down. Then you find a free download option, then click it, free download option. Then go to this bottom, and here you have to wait for 12 seconds. Then you need to, in this time you need to select the complete. I am not a robot section. Complete this robot section and click verify. After the completing the robot section, and you need to click the create download link. Then again click here to download. After clicking this, you have to save this VS Code in which folder you want to save it. After downloading, you need to install this VS Code. After install this VS Code, the home page will be look like this. Here you can write HTML code from here. So our next topic will be start from this, how to create HTML file or HTML documents, how to write HTML. So please subscribe my channel and share my video, because this video, in this section I'm gonna show you how to create a web page, a step-by-step process. So you need to follow the all video from my playlist.